Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick pom-pom for any project you may have. You can definitely you need a yarn and a scissor, a pair of scissors, but you can make the pom-pom with your hand. Any object, let's say this mobile phone, that you can wrap the yarn around, or this kind of tool that you can use for wrapping your yarn around. This is for a smaller pom-pom or a bigger pom-pom. The bigger this length is, the bigger your pom-pom will become. Let's see how to work with none of this, just hand. Okay, you start by wrapping the yarn around your hand, and this is the diameter of your pom-pom. This is going to be that big. The more you wrap the yarn around your hand or any other object, the more fluffy and bulky your pom-pom will become. So let's start doing this by just showing you how I'm gonna make it. See, I'm wrapping. So the bigger the length is, the more yarn you need to make it nicely and full like pom-pom. But just to show you, this is what I have, because my yarn is so thin, so I have more layers of the pom-pom. Okay, I think I need to stop. What you are going to do, you cut this and carefully lay it on the table. Then you got your yarn, 6 inch or so, but because I want to be more stronger, I make it double and cut. What you need to do, you need to make a knot like this in the middle of the length, and you tight it this way and make another knot. See, I grab this because it's a good thing if you want to attach to somewhere, so you have a long tail, you can use it. And then you start cutting these loops like this. I still have some. Ooh, here. Then you can start trimming to make it nicer. But you see, this is not really full pom-pom. So the more yarn you wrap around your object, let's say my hand, the fuller pom-pom you get. This is the pom-pom. Hope you enjoy it.